Okay, let us see. Third week, second question. Projection of lines. Okay. Let us have a look at questions. A line PQ. That line PQ length is, true length is x mm, it is given. Here I am taking 100 mm. Parallel to HP, above XY line, and 30 degree to VP. Okay. End P is 50 mm. Accordingly, we have to create. Now move on to AutoCAD. Now set the units and limits. Units, drawing limits, units, utilities, single digit precision, millimeter, okay, and limits, LIMITS, enter. Lower left corner 0, 0, enter. Upper right corner 297, 210. I am entering A4 sheet size. Then zoom, enter, all enter. Okay. Now take line and draw XY line first. Approximate length. Okay. Say for example 200 mm. Now let us name it. Single line text. Here height 5 mm, text height 5 mm, angle 0, and cursor will begin X, here Y. You name it first. Okay. Then that PQ line above, that P end is above XY line 50 mm. Okay. Let us ensure that end P is 50 mm above HP. That one end we have to draw. From here 50, we will name it. Okay, we will copy this. Here and you can edit it. This is front view. Okay, so that P dash. Okay. Then how much in front of 35 millimeter in front of VP? That can be drawn below 35 mm in front of VP, right to this P, 35 mm. Okay, here we'll name it. Copy this, double click and remove that. This is P, top view. Okay. Now what is given in your question? VP inclination given and x mm true length with VP inclination given, and angle, with that angle we will let us draw top view of that line. Okay. Take line, draw a line of, here I am taking x mm 100 mm, x as 100. Okay. Now it is 0 degree with the XY line, but here 30 degree with the XY line. So we first you draw horizontal line and then rotate. Okay. Rotate command, take rotate, select object, enter, take base point, catch base point. About this point only it should be rotated. Take this as a base point. Always everything in anti-clockwise direction rotation. For clockwise rotation, use negative values, minus 30. Okay. This angle is 30 degree. Let us ensure that. See that? 30 degree to the VP. Okay. Let us name it. Angle 0 Q. Okay. Now you can draw a single line, reference line, locus of P, and you can give the angular dimension, then and there you can give, okay, for reference. Now in the front view, this Q point, another end will be on some this locus of P and Q intersection will be the Q dash. In order to get that, you project this up to this, again up to this, okay, and you project this up to this, okay. Now this point is the Q dash, you can name it. And you can go for trim also, trim and double click. This is front view, add dash, okay, and this true length should be shown with aligned dimension, inclined dimension. Select, right click, precision we can set, go to annotate, dimension dim style setting, modify, precision here 2 digit, if we make it 1 digit it will be alright, okay, 100 mm. This is true length 100 mm. True length line will appear due to this 30 degree inclination. In the front view it will be appear as a 86 mm due to that inclination. This also be shown. This line is PQ, P dash Q dash is parallel to HP. Okay, you can show the lines in different color. Some other color you can show it. Thank you.